How to download Fortnite mobile on iOS in any country. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you this quick and simple tutorial. So from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and search for App Store, and once inside, you can then go ahead and search for Fortnite. If you cannot go ahead and find Fortnite on your App Store, we can then go ahead and navigate through the second step on how you can go ahead and basically do this. So you want to open up your browser. In my case, it is going to be Safari. And once inside your browser, you can just go ahead and search for Fortnite download. From here, you want to navigate through the official website, which is the fortnitemobile.com. At the top of this web page right here, you can then go ahead and see a huge button called the install button. So you can just click on the install button, and in no time you will be able to install Fortnite on any country on your iOS device. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.